What's up, everyone? How y'all doing today's video? How's my CT fans? First, definitely, and don't forget, YouTube, what's popping, guys? About to tell you something a little funny today's video. About to tell you something right now. I tricked my mom, my phone, my timer. I was playing on my phone and I did something really funny today. So about to tell you right now, about to tell you on my chair, go like this, get ready. About to tell you right now, and you go like this. Smash that like, let's get 10,000 views on that video. And for the like, let's get like 50 likes on this video. Okay, you ready? You guys, I pranked my mom with a doorbell prank. Not the door in the front. It was on my phone. We got her. And I pranked her with my pranks. You guys, it was crazy. We got her. She was inside water the plants, the water plant. So I tricked her. That's why I got her hard. That was my prank wars on her. I got her good. You want to see more pranks? Put your comments down below. I can read all your comments and which prank wars I want to do next. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like that video. Put your comments down below. Subscribe. Turn on notification. Share this video. All your friends. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.